1,420 students, the largest turnout ever seen at CSU Study Abroad Fair.
On a national scale, study abroad is growing. There are more and more study abroad organizations out there that are being created, more and more program opportunities that are coming up.
Why study abroad? Some students want to break the boundaries, expand the mind, and face the unfamiliar.
I think it gives you an opportunity to see and just kind of like seeing how other people structure their lives.
But many students cease to explore because of doubts. They just find the whole thing daunting.
Starting the process on your own is like pretty terrifying. That's initially kind of I think what turns most students off. It's pretty daunting. Kind of like choosing a college, which you have the entire world to choose from.
But the Study Abroad office strives to turn an overwhelming task into a series of simple steps.
We really like to try to make that process as easy as possible, to take sort of that stress and overwhelming sense away.
Study Abroad wants to debunk some fears, like affordability.
And there are a lot of scholarships. A lot of people who want to spend money sending you abroad. Price is definitely a thing that we talk to students about and help them. That can kind of narrow down your options.
What about credits?
I'm not sure who's telling them these things, but that like you can't graduate in 4 years if you study abroad, when in fact, I'm graduating in 4 years, I studied abroad. We can work with you.
Fearless or not, peer advisor Chris Cherma says, keep them coming.
We're on track to, I think, increase our numbers from at least last year.